I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by hiding the grid line layer so your sheet looks clean. First, select the worksheet you're working on. Once done, go to the View tab and clear the Grid Lines checkbox to remove on-screen lines. If you plan to print, make sure to switch to Page Layout and uncheck Print under Grid Lines so lines won't appear on paper. This removes the default nocturnal lines and prepares the sheet for formatting, ensuring your cells appear blank without altering cell contents or formulas. Next, you replace automatic grid lines with explicit borders where you need structure. Select the range and use the Home tab Borders menu to pick style, color, and thickness. This creates permanent lines that print reliably. Once you apply borders, make sure to preview using Print Preview. Borders persist while grid lines do not. If you want alternating row guides, use conditional formatting to draw subtle bands instead of many borders. This gives you precise control over appearance and avoids accidental. To finish, verify the worksheet in different view modes and confirm print settings. You should inspect Normal, Page Break Preview, and Page Layout to catch hidden elements. Also check File Right Arrow Options, Right Arrow Advanced to toggle show grid lines globally if needed. Once satisfied, save a copy to preserve the clean look. If something prints blank or looks unchanged, make sure cell background colors or borders aren't white on white. If lines reappear, reset View Options or restart Excel to clear display cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.